Hey guys, we're back at the build here. We just got a new tool set finally, so it's gonna make life a lot easier for us. It's all battery operated, so we got it charged last night. We picked it up at the store. We figured, it's gonna help out in the future for our builds, and we needed another type saw to cut out the frame here for our window. So that's what we're going to be working on here, getting these two windows cut out and placed in, and hopefully we don't run into any issues. So but yeah, we just wanted to give you an update on the new tools. As a drill came with actually it came with two drills, a saw, and a flashlight, and then it came with two batteries and a bag. So, and it wasn't too expensive. We kind of did some research and found that this was the cheapest one, but had good reviews on it. So it's going to be the first use of it. So on the next video, we'll give you a little update on how it goes. So we'll see you then.